Before we begin, like and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for latest updates. The Cockroach Janta Party will meet on August 24th to decide its next course of action over the centre's pending assurances following the withdrawal of its nationwide agitation on July 25th. The organization is alleged that the government has not yet provided details on steps taken to implement the commitments made to protesters. These included withdrawing FIRs, taking no punitive action against students, and providing compensation to families of NEET UG victims. CJP said it would consider all options, including another peaceful protest, if the commitments are not fulfilled. The group has also questioned why the government has not provided a list of FIRs despite court orders. CJP co-convener Saurabh Das and legal lead Ratna Singh accused the government of cheating the youth. The August 24th meeting will review the situation and decide the next steps. CJP warned that any delay or failure to honor the assurances would be treated as vishwaghat or betrayal.